The larynx is located at the level of C3 to C6 vertebrae between the pharynx and the trachea. Its main functions include sealing the air passageway from food and fluid. It controls passage of air in and out of the trachea and phonation, or basically production of speech sounds. There are 9 cartilages of the laryngeal skeleton, and they can be grouped into paired or unpaired. Those that are paired include the epiglottic, the thyroid, which most of us know as the Adam's apple, and the cricoid cartilages. Those that are paired include the arytenoid, the corniculate, and the cuneiform cartilages. The thyroid cartilage is shaped like a shield, so you can get a better idea of this by looking at the posterior view in the middle. The inferior horns of the thyroid cartilage articulate with the lateral surfaces of the cricoid cartilage at the cricothyroid joints. The cricoid cartilage makes a ring around the airway, and it is thicker in the back portion. You can see here on the posterior view in the middle that the arytenoid cartilage articulates with the cricoid cartilage. You can see the vocal process on the arytenoid cartilage, and these serve as the posterior attachment for the vocal ligaments. At the superior tip of the arytenoid cartilage lies the corniculate cartilage. The left picture is a posterior view of the larynx sliced in half. The 3 pairs of laryngeal mucus folds are the areoepiglottic folds, the vestibular folds, and the vocal folds. The areoepiglottic fold is demonstrated here on the right. The space between the areoepiglottic fold is called the inlet of the larynx. The vestibular folds are also known as false vocal cords, and they can be seen here in the left. These are formed by the vestibular ligaments, and they are protective in function. The space between them is called the rima vestibuli. Just below that, we see the vocal folds, which are true vocal cords, and each fold is formed by a vocal ligament and vocalis muscle. The space between the vocal fold is called the rima glottis.